All right, guys, back here with Selkirk Films, out here on the Bonnell MX 775 with the XL frame. It's got a sweet dropper post. Like to ride it about here. We're gonna be practicing some wheelies. 42%. Slow it down, kind of chew up the brakes a little here doing this, but it's all right. Super fun once you get it in that balance, but it is a little tough to get it right there. How's it going? Deflate the back tire sometimes helps, but really just getting that balance down. Oh, woo. Beautiful. I'll be able to hold it a little better. Not be so scared. Oh, look at that. Big old bald eagle up there. You probably can't see it, but squeaking. Okay, thanks for following along, guys. Appreciate it. Selkirk Films. We're out, baby. Wheelies on the Bonnell. Super fun. Really good time.